Hello everybody and welcome back to Gorilla Tag Funny Noises, and me and a couple of the competitors will meet the others. Where did everyone go? Oh, here they are. Alright, single file behind me for the funny noises. Single file behind me. This is the only way to get in. Okay. One of you, alright, only one of you gets to go. AA goes first. Guys, I recommend that AA goes first, so everybody clear.
I will choose.
Everybody.
Can I go next?
Get out.
Yes.
Get out.
Alright guys, AA will be going first. AA will be going first, alright? Everybody come to city if you are not AA. Anyone who is not AA must come to city, including, not including the modder. The modder is the guard. The modder is the guard. Alright. AA, on the count of 3, you're gonna make the funniest noise you possibly can. Everybody must remain quiet. Everybody must remain quiet at all times. 3, recording starts in, not the recording. The funny noise for AA will start in 3, 2, 1. Go! AA, do it again on the way down. Alright, who's next? I said White would go next. I said White would go next.
Can I go next? Can I go
Yes. He's right here. Coconut will go next. Guys, Coconut will go next. Don't worry, guys. All of you will get to go. Alright, guys, don't worry. All of you will be getting to go.
No, I'm going after.
Alright. Where's Coconut? Everybody go to city. Coconut, go in 3, 2, 1. Be quiet. Coconut, do it again on the way down.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait, he's getting it ready. He's getting it ready. Be quiet.
Nah, bro, I'm going.
Wait, guys, he's getting it ready. Guys, he's getting it ready. Be quiet.
Next. Bro, I'm going up. Bro, statue, get him out. I'm going next. He said
You
it.
go. You go next.
Yeah, get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out too.
All right. I don't want to keep the line holding up forever. So. Okay.
Bro,
Here.
hey, get away.
Hey, you've already been judged with the modder. So anyone who has been judged, go to info. Guys, anyone who has already made their funny noise, go to info right now. Anyone who has already made their funny noise, go to info. Oh, there goes the modder, I guess. Okay. Alright. Who's next? Who's next? AA, you already went.
No, it's me.
Monkey, you are next in the hole. Monkey. Alright, guys. Yep. 2. Be quiet, be quiet. Come to city, come to city, come to city. 2, 1. Alright, he's gonna do it on the way down. Oh, he's already down. Alright, who's next? Who has not gone yet? Come here. Alright, who hasn't gone yet? Just yet, you can come by the modder. No, he hasn't. Who hasn't gone yet?
No, it's Coconut. Coconut went in. These two haven't went in. These two haven't went in. He hasn't went in.
That's not Coconut. That's Noah VR.
You haven't.
Guys, this is not Coconut. That's Noah VR.
I haven't been.
All right, Noah VR, you are. All right, guys. Noah VR will go next, and then this man will go next, and then where's the pan guy? Where's the pan guy? All right, guys, where's the pan guy? Pan guy, you are next. You are the last one, and then you're all gonna go. All right, Noah VR, make the funniest noise you can. Everybody must remain quiet. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
Is he gargling water? Do it again on the way down. That was weird. Alright, only 2 people remain. Purple Fox and the pin. Purple Fox. Purple Fox.
Hey guys.
Purple Fox, you are next, and then the pan guy. It's Purple Fox and the pan guy. That's not you, buddy. That's not you. That's not Purple Fox. That's Monkey. Purple Fox, you are next. Get in the hole.
Help me. My arms, my hands.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm knocking your hand out. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh,
Purple Fox. Purple Fox. 3, 2, 1, go.
I hit my door. I hit my door.
Purple Fox, go. Go up. Go up. Push up.
You made me hit
Push
my
up,
door.
push up,
You made me
push
hit
up.
my door.
Push up.
Bro, you made-
Alright, stop. I'm sorry, okay?
Can I go next?
Oh, he went up, but he didn't make a sound. Come back down.
Can I go next? Can I go next? I'm going up.
You already went. I know you did. I know you did.
Joined. No, he put on a different outfit. He put on a different outfit.
Discord. Discord, can wait guys. Discord, can we confirm that Noah VR has already went?
Yeah, but no, cut him out of the video. If he goes up, cut him out of the video.
What is it saying?
If he goes up, cut him out of the video. If he goes up, cut him out of the video. It has to be a noise. I can hear the word.
Alright, we're just gonna skip the others and we're just gonna do big eyes and then we're gonna do all of us. Alright, so big eyes, you can go next. Big eyes? Big eyes? He left. Alright. You banned him?
Accidentally done it. Yeah, he did accidentally do it. He
Alright,
done it with his
everybody get in the hole, including the everyone except the modder, and he's gonna be rating you out of 10. All right. Everyone except the modder is gonna be rating you out of 10. Get in there, Coconut. Coconut, get in there. Coconut, go. But go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, go. What do you mean? Which one?
Again, all of you.
I coughed.
Modder. Modder. Where are you? Oh, I see him. He left.
He banned himself.
I think he banned him. I think he banned himself. But I heard it all. I'm gonna give you all. I'm gonna give you an 8 out of 10. It was good.
Guys, I'm gonna make mine juke. Red, what?
I think it's time we celebrate with some food, guys. I think it's time we celebrate. Guys, hold on. All right, guys, let's go to the cafeteria. I have an amazing. Come in here. Come line up here to get your food. Come line up on the other side to get your food.
My birthday is tomorrow.
Whoa! Happy birthday, Coconut. You are the person who gets the cupcake.
I got money from it. I got money
Happy
from it,
birthday,
guys.
Coconut.
I'll do anything on the video. Bro, I got money from it. I got money from the video.
Thank you. Enjoy your turkey.
Okay, thanks, bro.
You may take a bite. Purple Fox. Purple Fox's turn. Purple Fox, take a bite out of the turkey.
I'll give you all the money if I can eat it. I'll give you all the money if I can eat it.
All right, guys. Who wants the last bite of the turkey? Who wants the last bite of the turkey?
Me.
Coconut.
I'll give you money.
Don't. Wait, guys. I actually have another idea. Wait, guys. I actually have another idea.
Red,
Hold on.
YouTube channel called? What's your TikTok called? What's it called?
Hold on. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get out my food real quick. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Put on the finger.
Caffeine. Caffeine.
Put on the finger.
Ready? I'm gonna drop it.
There.
Ready? It's gonna. Wait here. I'm gonna. Here, stand underneath me. Here, stand underneath me. Stand underneath the cup. Here, stand underneath the cup.
Oh, it burns! It burns! Oh, nice.
I put an ice cube in there. It's cool. It's cooling. Activating ice machine. Feel better?
Bro, playing the horror music. He's playing
Arr.
horror music.
Horror music? Oh!
Red, what's your...
Subscribe for those funny noises. Thank you.